Welcome, in front of me is a Honor View 20, and today I'll show you how to enable the Fastboot mode on the device. So, to access it, we'll start by actually powering off the phone. So hold the power key and tap on power off once it appears. So once more. And while it's powering off, you will also need a USB Type-C cable for the device. It should come with it, and plug it into the computer. So once that is ready, you can actually proceed on. And what you want to do is hold volume down. So I'm gonna take the device in my hand. It's gonna be easier for me. Let's move that out of the way. So holding volume down, I'm gonna actually plug in a phone and keep on holding it. And as you can see now, I'm gonna unplug it just to put it down. You might wanna keep it plugged in, but because for this display I'm not really doing anything with Fastboot, just showing how to access it, I can do it. So as you can see now, we're in Fastboot, and basically that's it. Now if you want to leave it, you would hold the power key for a little bit longer till the device shuts off, and it will automatically turn back on. So yeah, that's how you access. So I'm actually gonna leave the mode by holding power key. Okay, and once the screen goes black, you can let go. And as you can see, it's turning on by itself. So give it a moment and it should be back in the normal Android. As you can see, now we're back on. So that is basically how you access Fastboot mode, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.